Why, hello, my friends and family. I'm Wowy. Now listen, if you're into art, wood carving, maybe some funky upcycled jewelry, and most especially community and giving back to the supporters, you're gonna want to watch this. I'm gonna show you what's in this very, very special package. It's going all the way to France. Leaving today, guys. Now listen, you're gonna really want to watch this, and I appreciate you being here. Okay, well, LaRue. Here's LaRue. Let's make these fine folks feel welcome. Little LaRue, what say you?
All of the people say, hey, what's going on today? Down in Wowwy'z workshop, where we use art each day to chase the blues away. Down in Wowwy'z workshop, brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
Why, hello, my friends and family. It is me, back again, Wowwy'z Workshop. That's what these are for, the dubs, flashing the dubs. And it being a very special episode of Wowwy'z Workshop, because it's a Karma Carves. Yes, it's an episode of Karma Carves because we're giving back to those who do so much for our channel and for just being great people in our lives. And, well, it's all about giving back to the people that we love. That's long story short. So some of you may be aware of stuff that's going on here, and some of the subscribers are members of the Kindred Woodcarvers group on Facebook. And my friend Claire and myself, who are actually admins for the channel, or for the group, Facebook group, sorry, we've pulled each other's name. I pulled Claire's name. And so we swapped. It was the Everybody's a Winner challenge. And this is a piece that she's getting from Two Brothers One Vision. Copper leaf by my brother. Very, very special piece. And I got, as you saw in the intro, that beautiful, beautiful the bird carving, plus there's a wolf on my wall made out of cottonwood bark that she carved and sent. And then you also may have saw by LaRue there in the beginning, there were two little fuzzy bugs. And those are the bugs that Claire sent for Lola and Katie. And she also sent Poppy, my dog, a bandana. So I'll probably put in some pictures there so this isn't so boring. Okay. What I wanted to talk about today is, it's just about, she surprised me so much with the additional gifts that she gave. And I had already told, I had made videos in Kindred Spirits talking about how I'm throwing in, when we were hyping up the challenge, how I was throwing in two of my sister-in-law Colleen's crocheted handmade nomies. She was whoever the winner of my name was getting two, and plus a piece of Blung jewelry. So I went ahead and made a special piece for Claire Bear, which we like to call her in the admin group. This is a really, really special key, very old. The two jump rings that I put on there represent us as friends, the two of us. We overthink, my brother and I, we put sentimental value into everything that we do. And even if it's only us that get it or care, it's just how we convey our feelings. We convey our feelings through our art and acts of kindness. So Claire is getting that very special piece of Blung with her totem and the nomies. And we got some stickers here from Two Brothers One Vision. Here's our very, very first stickers we've ever done. Very proud of what we've done, my brother and I. And then this is our Be a Lighthouse. I want to talk about something that hasn't been said yet. Claire, she made and gave me some very, very special pieces that I'm going to cherish forever. Now, quickly, I passed by a piece in the intro there that I'm going to go get. Give me 1 second. Now, some folks know that we electroform copper jewelry. And, okay, I gotta say this without cracking up and crying. I have a small collection of one of my very, very earliest electroform pieces. And one of those was a piece of arbutus driftwood from our local beach. And I love arbutus trees. They're kind of rare. You find them out here and in Oregon. I live on Vancouver Island, but they're not a very common tree all over the world, and they have the most amazing knots all through it. And so I had this piece, and this is an actual piece of driftwood off the beach. It's been electroformed for hours and hours and hours with recycled copper. Can you see this? But you can hit it on the high spots with steel wool or whatever, and it really, really will shine. I darkened it with a liver of sulfur solution. Now the thing about electroforming is it takes many, many steps. It's a lot of work to make pieces. And with our love of copper and recycling and upcycling, that's what Blung's all about, recycling and upcycling jewelry. Well, the copper, the electroform just went hand in hand with our style and how we roll. And Claire surprised me so much with the carving for the trade, but with the wolf that she sent me for her pack brother, I was thinking and looking at carvings that I've done, and it just wasn't doing it for me. And I thought about this. Wood is our bond as friends. This is how we found each other and our whole tribe. We all came together because of for a love of carving wood. And I thought about it, and I was like, this is perfect, because this represents, I knew it. This represents our bond, our friendship, our tribe, our love for wood. So Claire, may you receive this with all my love. I also did something special here in your card, but I don't want to show and ruin the surprise. But I just want to say again, you know, how much I appreciate what you sent and all the thought. And that goes for everybody that have sent me gifts on here. I adore each one of them in their very, very special and magical own way. None beat the others. They're all equal. They're all expressions of love and investments of love and a person's soul and a person's time on this planet, okay? So I truly, truly respect and love every piece. And Claire, may this find you safe, happy, and well. Thank you for being such a great friend. You've always been by my side. With that, folks, there is no YouTube without you. Thank you for watching another episode of Carves. Now, Godspeed, little guys. Find Claire. Much love. Claire, what is this world without true friends? Thank you for being mine. With much love, Wowwy'z.